Welcome to the MUA Standard, other known as Exclusive Beauties channel, and today I am doing a prom cut crease look. I always start by gelling the brows and doing them first, always going under the brows with either my Too Faced concealer or the e.l.f. But in this current subject, I am using the e.l.f. concealer. Now I am going in with the cut crease using the Rumor Base 1 from P. Louise, and I also use glitter from Glow Glitters. And then the other shades that I'm using on her face came from Morphe. The star of the show is the Pro Filter Foundation by Fenty Beauty, and this is the shade 420. It is the perfect match for this client, and I love using it on her every time she comes. This foundation is a buildable foundation, so you will have to do multiple layers if you want it to look more full coverage, but overall it oxidizes very well and it lasts all day. The last video that I did with this client, I made sure to add pictures of every single product that I used. So please check out that video if you want to know the specifics of how I did her base. But I did use the NYX concealer again to contour her cheeks. And I also went in with the e.l.f. Camel Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut to highlight her under eye area and her mouth and forehead and chin. So basically her T-zone areas. And I also went in with the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey to highlight her face and set her face as well. And this is the final look. It looks so pretty, guys. What I'm shocked about most is that this is my first time doing a winged cut crease on someone, and it came out really well. Like, I didn't use any inspo or anything, I just did it off the top of my head, so I was really proud of this look, and I look forward to doing more prom looks. I am located in Buckhead, Atlanta, so please feel free to DM me if you would like to schedule an appointment.